Hey everyone! Hi! Welcome back to the English Word.
Hi, everyone. So good to see you again.
And hey, if you're new here, welcome.
Yeah, if you love learning English in a fun and natural way,
And if you like real conversations with real-life English,
then don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our videos with a friend who wants to learn English too.
yep, it helps a lot and it makes us super happy. So, Emma, how's your morning going? You look extra shiny today.
Extra shiny? What am I, a Christmas ornament?
Honestly, a little bit.
Well, thank you. My morning is good. I woke up early today.
Really? Why?
Because winter mornings are so cozy. You know, the cold air, the warm blanket.
Oh yeah. The kind of morning where you don't want to get out of bed.
Exactly. I stayed in bed for 10 minutes thinking, maybe I don't need to work today.
Ha! Relatable. Very relatable.
What about you?
My morning was interesting.
Uh-oh. That sounds dangerous.
I tried to make hot chocolate, and I burnt it.
Jake, how do you burn hot chocolate? It's liquid.
I don't know. It just happened.
Okay, we need to teach you basic survival skills.
Yes. Make a video. English for people who burn hot chocolate.
Coming soon.
Anyway, it's December.
Which means?
Christmas is coming. I love Christmas.
Same. It's one of my favorite times of the year.
And we thought, you know what? We should help people talk about Christmas in English.
Yes, and not just talk, but also prepare.
Because Christmas has so many small things. Decorations, gifts, food, plans.
And many English learners don't know the words or phrases for all those things.
So, today,
We will talk about how to prepare for Christmas.
in simple, natural English.
With fun stories
Warm Christmas feelings.
and a little chaos because Jake and Christmas,
Hey!
always chaos. Okay, let's start. First step of Christmas preparation, decorations.
Yes. Decorating the house is like a Christmas workout.
True. You climb chairs, you hang lights, you stretch your arms.
I get tired just thinking about it.
So in English we say, we put up Christmas decorations.
Put up means to hang or to place around the house.
For example, I put up fairy lights around my window.
Or we put up the Christmas tree last night.
Speaking of trees, Jake, what's your tree story this year?
I bought a tree.
Okay.
I bought a tree.
And
It didn't fit in my car.
how big was it?
I don't know. I thought it was normal.
Jake.
So half of the tree was inside the car and half was outside the window.
You're supposed to measure it before you buy it?
Yeah, well, now I know.
Anyway, Christmas decoration words you should know. Ornaments, the small decorations on the tree.
Fairy lights or string lights, the small lights.
Garland, the long decorative rope.
Stockings, the big socks you hang.
Wreath, the circle decoration for the door.
And don't forget tinsel, that shiny, sparkly stuff that gets everywhere,
Everywhere, even in your hair.
even in your soup sometimes.
Not the soup.
Next, Christmas shopping.
Oh boy.
Don't worry, you're safe here.
I always wait until December 24th.
Jake. I know. Last-minute shopping is not good.
For English learners, to talk about buying gifts, we say, I'm doing my Christmas shopping. I need to buy presents for my family. I'm looking for gift ideas.
And also, I'm on a budget this year.
Yes, that's a useful phrase. It means you don't want to spend too much money.
Emma, what gifts are you buying this year?
I'm buying a blanket for my mom. She loves soft things.
Nice.
And for my brother, maybe a book.
What book?
A book about cooking. He burns eggs.
Oh, like me with hot chocolate.
Exactly.
Okay, my gift plan is simple.
Let me guess. Socks.
Hey, socks are useful.
Yes. Yes, they are. So, how do we talk about Christmas plans in English? Easy phrases. I'm spending Christmas with my family. We're having Christmas dinner at my grandmother's house. I'm traveling for the holiday. I want a quiet, cozy Christmas at home.
What are your plans, Emma?
I'm staying home this year. A small, cozy Christmas. Hot drinks, warm food, movies.
A Christmas dream.
Absolutely. What about you?
This year, I'm going to New York.
Oh, nice. New York at Christmas is beautiful.
I know. The lights, the music, the Christmas market.
Central Park in winter is like a movie.
Exactly. I want that movie moment.
So, learners, to talk about plans, use I'm going to. I'm planning to. We're thinking about. We might.
Example. We're thinking about having a big dinner.
Or I might bake cookies this year.
Ah, yes. Christmas food.
The best part.
What do you eat at Christmas, Jake?
Everything.
Be more specific. I love roast chicken, mashed potatoes, gravy.
And cookies?
Oh, yes. Christmas cookies are my weakness.
Useful English words. Roast turkey or chicken.
Mashed potatoes, stuffing,
Gravy.
Christmas cookies,
Hot chocolate.
gingerbread,
Candy cane.
and for phrases, we're making Christmas dinner.
I'm baking cookies for my friends.
We always eat together on Christmas Eve.
Jake, are you cooking anything this year?
I will try.
Good luck.
Thank you. I'll need it.
Christmas isn't just food and gifts. It's also traditions.
Yes, every family is different.
For example, my family watches a Christmas movie every year.
Which one?
Home Alone.
Classic. What about you? My family decorates the tree together,
Cute.
and my mom plays Christmas music very loudly.
I feel that.
Common English phrases. We have a family tradition.
Every year,
It's our tradition to,
Christmas is also about feelings.
yes, the warm, cozy feelings.
In English, you can say, I feel excited for Christmas.
This season feels magical.
Christmas makes me feel peaceful.
I love the holiday spirit. And also, I feel grateful.
Yes, that's a big one.
Grateful for family, friends, food.
And for our viewers.
Absolutely.
And let's practice a small Christmas conversation. I'll be person A, you be person B, and our viewers can practice with us. Alpking A, are you ready for Christmas?
Almost. I still need to buy gifts.
Same. What are your plans?
I'm spending Christmas with my family.
Nice. I hope you have a great holiday.
Thank you. You too.
Okay, everyone, that was our Christmas preparation lesson
We hope this helped you learn new English words.
and also helped you feel the Christmas spirit.
Remember, Christmas isn't about perfect gifts.
It's about moments, family, and kindness.
So be kind to someone this week.
Even a small smile can change a day.
True.
And if you enjoyed this lesson,
Don't forget to like
subscribe,
and share this video with someone who loves Christmas.
or someone who wants to improve their English. Bye!
Merry Christmas, everyone!